Why don't you kind of juxtapose the extranet versus the intranet?
So a couple things to kind of think about just from the name itself. The extranet targets an external audience. So it is people outside the organization. They can be your clients, your customers, external vendors, third parties. An intranet is meant more specifically for internal collaborators. When you talk about intranets versus the extranets, they've both been around for a very long period of time, but based on kind of technological changes nowadays, extranets and intranets have both become fairly popular now. Depending on your type of organization, you would either need both or one. When you talk about an extranet for organizations that have a lot of workings with their clients, an extranet is helpful to provide a specific platform to share things like requirements, share information on your services, provide a space to educate, inform, teach, that sort of information. It's very important if you want to keep your customers happy, satisfied, and engaged to build a very effective extranet. If your customer is your top priority, an extranet is super important for you. When you talk about the intranet, again, it's more to keep your internal organization motivated, your staff motivated, to ensure internal communications are on point. But whenever it comes to client management, dealing with a particular client, and again, I use the term client fairly smallly, it could be a vendor as well. If you want to work with a vendor, order supplies, things like that, having an extranet can be supremely beneficial. The extranet also allows you to create kind of your own self-service portals, allowing customers to either top up on their orders, allowing vendors to share information with you. There's a lot that you can do with a very well-built extranet, and that's an option that an intranet generally would not provide you.